Hi, this is the VIVO Y36 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first, hold for a while the home screen with your finger and tap on the left down corner. You'll see here all of the available wallpapers. You could also click here to the three dots. And just to launch full wallpaper settings, you could use here the system wallpapers, the defaults. Also, you could view more and to use the downloaded wallpapers, and you could use also the photos from your device gallery. Just select one from the wallpapers, you could see the preview, how that will be look on the lock or home screen. Then just tap to apply, select set as lock screen, and we could see that the wallpaper applied successfully. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just first we should open the settings, then just go to the lock screen and wallpaper section and tap here to wallpaper. Also, you could click here to lock screen settings. Oh no, we could switch here, so just tap to wallpapers and select one from the wallpapers, tap to apply, set as lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.